Hi and hello, I am Athena Pandyan here. I am here in this video. I am going to talk about why the hospital training is very important for the biomedical engineers, because many of them are rushing towards to go to get a permission from the multi-speciality hospitals and go for the training. What is the reason behind it? Why we require this hospital training? Come, let me start the video. What is the reason behind it? See, during the engineering study, that is especially biomedical engineering study, we learn many things regarding in the practical sessions and from the theoretical session, because faculty members are rushing towards to finish their syllabus. Through that, we can able to learn many things about, we can able to gain the knowledge about the biomedical engineers, all about all the domain. At the same time, each and every year we are gone for some of the practical sessions. We learn many things about practically about how to dealing with the equipment. What kind of knowledge is enough or not? Of course, it is not enough. Of course, that is all very important. At the same time, that only is not helpful for you to face the market. Apart from the things, you need to do something about it, because then only you can able to learn many things about what has happened practically, what has happened in the market and everything. And that is the way very useful, very helpful for you to compete the competitors. You are supposed to go outside the college to learn something about the biomedical engineering. In that way, the hospital training is very helpful for you. Equipment that is used in the laboratory, it is just for the study purpose. But that is entirely different that the ECG, the particular equipment that is used in the hospital. So you can able to find out how far it is different, how far it makes difference. What is the difference between the equipment that is used in the laboratory and what is the difference between the equipment that is used in the hospitals. That may give the difference. That is the purpose we are going for the hospital training. And the next important purpose of hospital training is, if you are gone to the hospital training, there is a chance to meet some of the doctors. You meet the doctors only. If you are appointed as a sales biomedical engineer or service biomedical engineer or application biomedical engineer, whatever it may be, your customer, your main customer is doctor. So during the studies itself, you are going to meet a doctor through this hospital training. There is a clarification about what you are expecting, sir. What you are expecting about the biomedical engineering, what are all the things you are need to do for them, all the things you can able to get from the doctors itself. So that is a chance also. And the next important purpose is, each and every day, if you are get a training in a multi-speciality hospital, each and every day there are so many sales biomedical engineer and service biomedical engineers are come and visit the hospitals for selling the product or servicing the product. So there is a chance to meet them. You straight away go to them and ask them how the market is. Straight away go and ask them how the particular market is going on, and what is the role of your sales biomedical engineer, and what is the role of yours, and ask to a service biomedical engineer. So that is a chance to meet so many biomedical engineers, those who are already in the market. So many clarifications can able to rectify using this hospital training. Hospital training give one more brilliant advantage. For example, if you are going for the training to the companies, in the company, they are manufacturing some of the 5 to 10 plus equipments only. But if you are gone for the hospital training to the hospital, that is a chance to getting the clarity about all the equipment that is used in the different departments. But in the company, we can't able to get the clarity about all the equipments. But in the hospital training, you can able to get the clarity about all the equipments used in the department. At the same time, you have a chance to meet so many radiologists also. You can able to clarify the doubts in the radiologist itself. How this particular CT machines are, which CT machine is best. Whether it is a flip CT machine is best or G CT machine is best. All the things you can able to get, because they are all having the experience. So they are all giving the clarity about what is happening in the market actually. So you can decide it yourself through that particular hospital training. You can able to learn many things about it. Okay, apart from the medical equipment studies, all the other thing also get into your mind. Okay, you can once your hospital training is getting over in the 10 days, you can able to learn all these things. Then the 11th day you can get a clarity about it. What is biomedical engineering? Where we are going to work? What is the role of the particular each and every job scopes? All the thing you can able to get. What is the advantage of this particular job? What is the merits we can able to get using this particular job? And how much salary we can able to get? All the thing you can able to get using this particular hospital training. And the hospital biomedical engineer will explain about what is the role of the biomedical engineers. Many of them says that the biomedical engineer in hospital is only for maintaining the equipment. Not like that. 50% of maintaining the equipment and 50% of file maintaining is very important. We can able to make file of each and every equipment, every minor equipment. For a single electrode, you need to make a file of it. So what is the cost of it, and when it is buy, and when it is expired, all the thing you need to know. Biomedical engineer will do. So not other people will do all these things. So file maintaining is also very important. That are all the thing you can able to understand through the hospital only. The faculty members doesn't have any experience to tell about this. At the same time, they don't have any time to tell about it. So that is what, once you are gone for the hospital training, these kind of experience you can able to learn. These kind of thing you can able to learn from the people, those who are already in the market. So that is what the hospital training is very important for the biomedical engineers, those who are pursuing. But the thing is, which year is very comfortable? Many of them have a doubts whether the second year is very comfortable for go to the hospital training, or the final year is very comfortable for go to the hospital training. My point is, whenever you have a chance to go to the hospital, but the main important thing is, for the sake you are not go to the hospital training, just take a training appointment from the multi-speciality hospital. That is the area getting a knowledge, getting a more amount of knowledge regarding the market. Okay, so just go for some specialty hospitals, or get a training from some of the scan centers, get a training from some of the clinics. That are all not important. Get a training from the multi-speciality hospitals, then the equipment wise you can able to learn the knowledge, then the market wise you can able to learn the knowledge. From the doctor's point of view, what are all the things they are expecting, that is also very important thing. Through that multi-speciality hospitals you can able to learn all these things. So that is the very important thing. Some other points which are all the very important thing required for the hospital training, all the things will come into the slides. That particular slides will explain you what is the real role of the biomedical engineers in hospital, because that biomedical engineers in hospital give much amount of clarity to the students what is happening in the market, because they are having a chance. The hospital biomedical engineers having a chance to meet so many sales biomedical engineers from different sort of companies, so many service biomedical engineers from different companies. All the job scopes of the biomedical engineers will meet this particular biomedical engineer in hospital, because they are the best mentor, they are the best teacher for the student, those who are pursuing biomedical engineering. So that is what the reason why you need to go to the hospital training in third year or second year or final year. So the outcoming slides will clear about you how far the particular hospital biomedical engineer role is. Come, let's see and come again. So that particular slides will clearly explain about what is the role of the biomedical engineer. So this particular role the biomedical engineer have. So that particular biomedical engineers can able to give the clarity about the students, because in one of the slide we crossed over the training to the students, because the sales engineer have experience on the sales, service engineer have an experience on the service, application engineer have an experience on the application engineering, application specialist, but the biomedical engineer hospital have a chance to meet all these kind of job scopes persons. He can able to give the clarity about what is the thing required, what are all the abilities you have to face the market, all the things the particular person can able to say. So that particular hospital training is very important for the biomedical engineers, those who are pursuing biomedical engineering. So that's all about this video. I hope so this particular hospital training, how far it is very important. And please remember, this is the video, this is particularly for the persons, those who are pursuing biomedical engineering. Don't miss the chance to go to the hospital for the training, especially multi-speciality hospital. Thank you very much.